Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields for contacts in Zoho Books. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to track specific information about your customers or vendors that isn't captured in the standard fields, giving you complete control over your contact management system. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in to your Zoho Books account using your credentials. Make sure you have your login information ready so you can access your account quickly. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon, which serves as your settings menu. Click on this icon to access all of Zoho's configuration options. This is where you'll be able to customize various aspects of your account. Within the settings menu, look for the module settings tab and navigate to the general section. From here, you'll find an option labeled customer and vendor. Click on this option to proceed. This section houses all the customization features related to how you manage your contacts and their information. Once you're in the customer and vendor section, you'll notice several tabs at the top of the page. Look for the Field Customization tab and click on it. This is the area where you can add, edit, or remove custom fields that appear on your contact records. Now, on the top right part of your screen, you'll see a button labeled plus New Custom Field. Click this button to begin creating your custom field. This action will open a dialog box where you'll configure the specifics of your new field. You'll be prompted to enter several details for your custom field. Start by entering the label name, which is what will appear on your contact forms. Next, choose a data type from the drop-down menu. Depending on which data type you select, whether it's text, number, date, or drop-down, additional fields will appear with options specific to that type. Take your time to review each option thoroughly and fill in all required fields to ensure your custom field functions exactly as you need it to. Once everything is configured correctly, click Save to finalize your custom field. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.